In this video, I'm going to talk about how to add a shop to your existing website or a blog, or if you just want to create a new shop, you can also watch this video and just ignore the last 5 minutes of this video. And we're also going to install a theme for your shop, set up the payment method, add products, and also link your shop to your existing website. Welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherris, and in this channel, we talk about making money online. If this is your interest, you can subscribe and also hit the bell notification so that you can be notified. So the first thing that you do, you go to your Bluehost control panel, and then you will click advanced, and then you will go down, you will scroll down where you'll see WordPress, and then when you see WordPress, you need to do the installation, because we're going to do a new installation but on a separate folder. We're not going to mix it with our existing domain, so that's why you need to specify a folder. So my folder is going to be shop. So after specifying that, then you need to set up your username and your password, and then after you will go down, and then these are the themes that you can select. So you can choose the one that you want. So since it's a shop, I'll get another theme which I'll also install. So you can also send yourself installation details to your email, and then after installing, these are the details that you need to keep a backup, because you'll use this to log into your WordPress shop and also to view your shop. So the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to click these links so that it shows us the current state of the shop and also to log in. And then as you can see, while it's opening, this is the page now, our shop now. It doesn't have any product. It basically looks like this. So the next thing, when you click the next tab, you see that we go back to the to our WordPress shop details, where we're going to do some setups. You install Jetpack. This is mainly for your stats, for your shop stats, like how many users hit your shop, and also you go and click the one with start for free, because you don't need the paid version, but unless if you do need some more, but then it will give you security as well as the stats that you need to know who's connecting to your shop. So this is information that you need, and you need to install Jetpack. And then we're now going to install a plugin. So to install plugin, you go to plugins, and then you click add new. The plugin that we're going to use, it's called WooCommerce. So you basically add a new, and then you search for WooCommerce, and then it will show on the list. And when it shows on the list, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to click install, and then after installing, you'll click activate. And then this is what we're doing. We're actually adding this to our site, to our blog or shop. And the next thing, you're going to add your address, and go ahead and add your address. So based on the country, it will use that currency, but you can select more. So I choose no thanks for this one. And then after, I'll select the type of products that I'll be selling. So you can go ahead and select what you want. And then the next thing, you're going to click continue. And then after selecting what you want, you can also click other. If you want, you can, if you're selling physical product, you can click that one. And then you also, if you're selling subscriptions or membership, you can click that one, but I'm not selling any of those. So I'll just click next. And then you need to specify how many products you're going to sell. So for me, it's 11 to 110. So I'll select that. And then after, you will click if you're selling on another platform or not. So for me, I'll say no, I don't have any other shop. So the next three options, it's Google Ads and creative emails if you want to capture people's emails, and then your Facebook if you want to have your Facebook page, and then next you can click next. So you can select those ones. If you don't want later, you can unselect and remove from your shop. But then for now, I'm just going to leave those ones, and then we'll go to the next one. So there are themes which are given to you. So there are paid themes where you have a shop created for you, and you can just buy that theme. So we're going to use a free theme. So you're just going to select the one that you want. I've already selected mine, and then you will click the one that you want. If you have a theme that you bought somewhere, you can just upload that theme. And then from here, you can select if you want to deal with printing, shipping, labels, also for the system to do automated sales tax. So for now, I just clicked no thanks, but for you, you need to go and check your sales condition in your country and then specify that. You do that by going to WooCommerce settings, and then you will see tax options. And then now we're done with the store. The next, we're going to add products. So in order to add products, you click add products, and then you would click the top part, which is this one. And then after clicking the top part, and we do not want to import because we don't have any, unless if you're importing, you can just click import. But for now, we're going to add manually. So the first product I'm going to add is my ebook, and the name of the ebook, you need to specify there. And then nice thing about it is you will get guided on how to do it when you do it the first time, and then you can just click next, keep clicking next, and then it will take you what's the next part you're going to add. So the product that you're going to add is a simple product, and then you can specify the one that you want, and then you click next. It will take you to the next step that you need to follow. And then you will follow that step and next again, and then it will take you to another stage, and it is a downloadable. So when people buy this ebook, it's a downloadable, it's an ebook. So I don't want to deal with shipping and all that mess. So it's going to be an ebook, and then you set up the price. And now remember, the top part, you need to set up a higher price, and then the bottom part, that will encourage people to see that the price was higher, but then you're giving them at a discount. So add that part as well, and what price. So like I said, $99 for the top one, and then $6.99 for the bottom one. You'll see this how it looks at the end, and then you need to add the image of the product. So you will select from your computer or wherever you're selecting your picture. So you will go and select that picture. And then we're going to add tags, and tags are what Google will see when they add. So you can add that as well. So you can choose different tags, like whatever your book is all about. And when you're done adding tags, then you can just keep adding. When you're done adding text, then you click next, and then the next part which we're going to do, it's going to be the description. So you need to have product information description. But before doing that, can you see that the next step is the category? So the categories is your product. So if you're going to do fashion, ebooks, and then you can just create these categories here, so that every time you add a product, you can place it at the right in the right category. So I've added ebooks, and then next it's showing me and another thing. Then I'll click next because I'm not yet ready to publish, and I will go next to product description. So you add your product description. So you can type this here. When you click visual, it will show visually, but when you click text, it will show you just like a Word document. And after you click publish, when you click publish, you're actually putting this live, and it will show in your site. And remember, this shop, it's on a separate site, and then you have a link which you can click to see how your product is looking on the website. So you can see as well on your shop how the product will look. So let's open this on another tab so we can see how our product looks. So you can see now that our shop does have a product, but the shop, it's not looking nice. So we need to fix that and make it look nicer. So remember, I said you can buy these shop templates as well if you don't want to use the free one. So because one that you pay for, it already has a whole lot of features. But for me, this shop is just for me to sell my product. So I already have a beautiful website which I bought a theme which I paid for. So the next thing, we're going to click to appearance, menus, to add a new menu. And now we're adding a new menu. So a menu is these things that are showing at the top. So my one, I'll just type menu 1. So this will show the menus on our shop. So like your home page, contact page, checkout, those are our menu pages. So when you install, when you click the plugin, you add the plugin WooCommerce, it comes with the pages. So these are the pages. So now that I've created my menu, I can just select the pages that I want on my site. So I've selected. Now I'm going to add a new menu called home. So I can just add as a custom link, which will link to my blog, because I want people, when they are in this shop, they should be able to go back to my blog if they want to go back to, and the blog will list home and also shop at the end. So now I've added the home page, and I'm also going to add the contact page link as well, because I want people, when they are stuck somewhere in the shop, they should be able to email me and I can assist where I can assist. So I'll go back to my site and click contact us to get the link to my contact page. So I will select that and copy that, and then after that link I'll put it in my shop site. So add new. So now that I have all the pages that I want, and I can see, can you see that the home page is in the middle, and I don't want it to be in the middle, I want it to be at the first. So don't forget to click save, and after clicking save, let's go fix the order of these tabs, menu items. So can you see that it's in the middle? So I'll just have to go and click home to show correctly, because can you see now it starts with my account, and I don't want that. I want it to start with home. And then I'll go to my menu, and then I'll click home, and then I will click move up until it gets to the first one, and then after I will save the menu. So that's how you move these menus if you want to move them. And also to add, you can add it as a custom link, you can add it as a page which you'll create. So now I click save. And then when you go to the site now and refresh, you see that now everything is in order. It starts with home, and then it ends with contact page, and you do have my account and checkout and all those things. And now I have my book. So now we need to go and add another book. So if I click home, it goes back to my blog. Can you see why I added that? Because I want the link between my my shop and also my blog. And when you click contact us, it will go back to my blog for a person to contact me if they need to contact me. So that's the reason. And please do ignore the black screen. It's irritating. And now we're going to add the payment method. So you can decide on what payment method you're going to use. So I'm in South Africa and we work with PayFast. So if you are outside South Africa, you can use your Stripe, but WooCommerce will come with your country's payment method. So I'll start with PayPal because I do have a PayPal account and set it up. And I just joined my PayPal account, which you just get an email. And if you don't have a PayPal account, I do have a video on how to create your PayPal account. You can just watch that one. And then PayFast is what we use in South Africa, so you need to go and sign up an account with them. You can do it from here and then it will list there. And then cash on delivery, I don't want it because I don't want to deliver any product to anyone because it's dangerous. Another payment is to add your bank details, and then a person can just transfer, and then we're done. So we now added 3 payment methods. I wish there was one for blockchain or Bitcoin or any other coin. So now we're going back to products to add more products because I only added 1 product, so we need to add more products. So I'll add another product just to show you, and you do the same thing that I showed you how to add. So you click to add new, but now I needed to delete all these things that are irritating me, like all these things they're selling, and now you can click add new. After adding add new, you can just go ahead and add the name of the product, but first I want to remove all these top things, and then we can add our product. So the name of the product is Accessory. It's also an ebook which I'm adding to my site, and then you would do the same thing that we did previously, where you add your tags, where you add your product description, where you add it into a category. And then after adding it into a category, and then you can also get the link which you can view your product, and those are the things that you're going to add. So you can go ahead and add those things the same way that I showed you with the previous product that we've added, and then you will do the same thing. So now we're adding the image, and I'll go to my laptop and select that image, and after adding it, and then I'll be done. And now remember, you need to name your photo because of the Google SEO, and just give your photo a name, and then after set the image, and then your product will have an image. And then set the price also. Remember I said start with the highest price and then reduce it so that people can see a discount and they will feel like you gave them a discount and they will buy your product. And then you can just go ahead naming this one. The first one was $1.99, now it's $65, and then I'm done with the prices. So you can publish this product as well. So it will also have a separate link, but then all your products will sit in one a page. So can you see now that we have 2 products? If you want to do a quick edit, you can just click quick edit, or if you want to view, you can just click view to view the specific product. So this is what you will see, and add items. And remember, I said you name the higher price first, and then it will minus it and then show you the new price, which is good for people. So when a person wants to buy, they will click add to item to cart, and then they'll see view, and then in their cart they will select proceed. And this is just showing you live what's going to happen, the process. And nice thing, we didn't need to create all these pages, and then they will have to enter their details when they're buying. Remember, there's 3 payment method, which is direct to my bank account, pay fast, and PayPal. So people have options, and now they can use these options when placing an order. So that's why we needed the payment method. So now this is done, and next we do have the shop. So now that we have our shop set up, remember, you're going to do the decorating, making it all presentable. And if you want, you can buy the theme. If you don't want, you can use the same thing. The only problem is at the bottom, it will show the company where you got the theme. You won't be able to change the watermark. So if you want to, so that it shows your name at the bottom, then you'll have to buy a theme or design your own shop if you know how to design it. So now the link product is, for example, say a person buys a cap and you want to recommend shoes or a dress, then you can add that. So for coupons, if you want to give people discounts, you can add coupons on that product, so that if you give someone the link and say, if you use this coupon, you will get discount. So you can add that coupon to give them whatever discount that you want. So you will add that of 10%, meaning they will get 10%. So with these coupons, there's a fixed amount you can specify. There's also a percentage amount you can specify. So for me, I am choosing 10%, which I'm specifying, not a fixed amount. So if a person buys something for $200, and then I'll give them 10% of this discount if they use this coupon that I've given to them. And then now that we're done with coupon, you must publish. Remember, everything that you do, you need to publish or save. These changes won't happen if you don't do that. So we've published our page, and we can see again. Now I'm going to link this shop into my website or blog. So now I'm going to my blog. I'm logging into my blog. So this is a different folder which I've done. Remember, if you're creating this from scratch and you don't have another domain or website, then you can buy a domain going to that video. So I'm now in my blog, and then I will click appearance menu to add another shop menu. So basically what I'm going to do at the end, I'm going to add another menu item called shop, and when a person clicks that shop, it will go to my shop. So now I click custom links, and then on menu, and then I type shop, and then I will go to my shop and get the link which was just created, this link, and then I will paste it there, so that when a person goes to my blog, they can see this shop item. And then now it's done, and then it will appear on the right hand side, which is my menu on the website, on my blog. I don't know why I confused website and blog. On my blog. So now you can click the changes. Can you see at the bottom, it is showing as well. So we do have the shop item. So let's save the menus, and then after, you will see this when you go to the site, my blog, you will see that it is there. And then let's just go ahead and go to my website, my blog, for you to see that the shop menu is showing. So we will go there now, and then you will see that the shop menu is showing. And if you're doing this, remember that I do have the link for you to buy hosting and domain. Domain is given for free, and hosting you buy hosting and then you pay for it, which is also nice. So I use Bluehost and I love Bluehost, and their support is also good. So let's go to my site now so you can see how it looks, and you see that the shop is also there and it's linking to my shop. So when you click shop, it will go to my shop. And now remember, in my shop I also added homepage, which will link back to my blog, and also contact page, which will go to my blog. So this is what we're going to do. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you can be notified every time I load a video. Do enjoy your day.